This is REALME GT2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enter and use the camera pro mode on this device. So to start, let's launch the camera itself. In here you will be by default inside the photo mode, so in order to enable the pro mode, just slide this list of modes, available modes, to the more section. Then among the available additional or, well, unshown mods, go for the pro, and while at it you can gain significantly more manual control over the pictures that you're about to shoot by simply being able to manually set the value for such things as ISO, shutter speed, exposure, focus distance, and white balance. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.